Welcome you all in our new lecture on how to upload videos on YouTube. So before learning how to upload videos on YouTube, we have to search YouTube on Google. Let's go to the YouTube only. So here we are on YouTube, and in YouTube there are two ways to upload videos. One is we can click on our icon, and then there we can find YouTube Studio. Or another way is we can click on this create button, and in this create button option we can get this upload options. Okay, so we will go to the studio, then we will click on this upload button option. Okay, so now I'll click on this upload video option. I'll select a file. So here is the file which I wanted to upload. Now I can start uploading this file to YouTube. Okay, now the first thing which we have to do is we have to give a certain title to this video. So suppose I write how to upload video. Okay, and in this description I'll write learn how to upload video on YouTube. Okay, now as soon as our video will get processed, we will this YouTube will generate certain thumbnails for our video. So since our video is getting processed, so let's move to the next option. So once you will add your video, you can select in which type of playlist your video should reflect. Or suppose you wanted to create a new playlist, you can click on new playlist. And suppose you don't want to add this video into certain specific playlist, then you can always leave this option unchecked. So now these are the different thumbnails which is available, which is created by YouTube for my video. And if suppose I wanted to add a certain thumbnail for my video, so then I can click on this upload thumbnail, and then in this case I have to select an image for my video. So for selecting an image, I'll look for a image for my video. So suppose this image I want for my video, so I'll click on this image and I'll open it, and this image will be uploaded for me. Okay, now I have to decide who will be my audience, whether my audience is kids or not. Okay, so why YouTube asks these questions, because we have to decide to whom are my this video is suitable. Suppose if my this video is suitable for children below 12 year of age, then yes, I have to click on this yes, my it's made for the kids. Okay, and suppose my video it belongs to those who maybe this is an educational video for a graduate student, maybe this is a promotional video of a specific brand which this brand belongs to the youth. Okay, so in that case I have to click on no, it's not made for the kids. Okay, and since the moment I'll click on no, it's not made for kids, I have to go to the age restrictions, and then I have to decide whether my video is should be restricted for the viewers over 18 year of age or should not be restricted. Okay, so in case of if your video contains certain adult content, then you have to click on yes, restrict my video to viewer over 18. And if your video doesn't include any adult content, then you can click on no, don't restrict my video to viewer over 18. And in case of more options, you can click on paid promotions if your video contains certain paid promotions of a product. So you have to click on this, and if it doesn't include any kind of a paid promotion, then you can left it unchecked, and then you have to add tags. So this tags will help you to help your video to go to a specific category of the people who is your target audience. Okay, suppose now I wanted to I wanted to add certain text. So I'll write my first tag as YouTube upload video, learn how to upload. Okay, so my tags are ready now for my video, and then we can decide the language of our video. So if it in our case this is English, and if you wanted to select any other language, suppose you have recorded your lecture in Hindi, if you have recorded your language in Japanese, In any other language, you have to select that language. Okay, and then you have to decide the category, to which category your video belongs. So in under category options, we have film animation, cars, vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, travel, events, gaming, people, blog, comedy, entertainment, news and politics, how to and ad style, education, science and technology, non-profit, activism. Okay, so after doing all these things, we have to click on next. In next, we can see two options are available to us: add an end screen and add cards. In case of add an end screen, we can click on add, and we can decide end screen should add what. So if so there are various type of end screens which is available to us. Suppose I click on this. So now this my ad screen, the moment my video will reach to its end, it will automatically add certain content into my video. So what are that content? It will add a subscription button or my channel logo, then it will add a specific video which is most viewed video in my case, and it will select a specific playlist which can be a new playlist or maybe most viewed playlist. Okay, so you can decide all this thing. And suppose you don't want to add an element, you can click on delete. And it's totally up to you. You can either restrict a specific video, best viewer, or most recent upload. You can edit this, or you can click on delete element. Okay, so the moment I'll click on delete element, this video will be deleted. And again, in case of playlist, if I wanted to delete, I can click on delete the playlist. Okay, so now suppose I click on this one video plus one subscribe, I will click on this. Now best video from my YouTube channel will come here, as well as a subscription button option will come here. Now let's move to the we will just save it. Okay, now what is add card? In case of add card, what we can do is we can add other video as card in this video. Suppose this video links to some other video, and suppose I am referring certain video or certain link of a website or something else. Then in that case, on a specific point of my video, I can add a card. So suppose I wanted to add a card, I can click on video, channel, poll or link. So suppose I wanted to add a video, I will click on create. I'll select already uploaded videos. Okay, I'll click on this, and then I'll create a card. So now it is working on a card, and this card has been placed on 24 seconds. So now suppose I wanted to change the position of this card, I can change the position of this card. One more thing we can do is, again I'll go click on add cards, and I'll click on poll. Now suppose during your video you wanted to ask certain question to from your audience. So in that case, you can click on poll, you can ask the question and you can give the choices, and then you can create card. Okay, and now I have done all these things, so I'll click on return to YouTube Studio. So now I have added an end screen as well as added a card. Now I'll click on next button option. In this next button options, I have three options. Either I can upload the video and publish it but keep it private, for so this video will still will remain private and won't be available for the YouTube audience. Suppose you wanted to share this video to someone else in a private mode, so this video will be only available to only that persons to whom you have shared the link. In case of unlist, this video will unlist. Okay, and this video won't appears in any kind of a search item. In case of a public, the moment you click on public, this video will be available for all type of publics. Okay, and in case of a certain instant premiere, so the moment you will launch your video, the moment your video is public, it will start with a premiere. Okay, so what do you mean by premiere? So suppose I uploaded a video at 9 a.m. sharp, so my video will start at 9:15. Okay, why? Because then my video will take 15 minutes as an instant premiere, 15 minutes as an instant premiere, or I can schedule my video. Okay, so on which date? Suppose I wanted to schedule this video in the month of maybe on the New Year Eve. So I'll select 31st of December. I'll decide a time. So in this case, I wanted to upload this video at 11:45. I have to decide a time zone, and then I can decide whether my video should come up with a premiere or will directly upload. Okay, so in this case, in my case, I'll click on save or publish. I'll remove the set and instant premiere. I'll keep it public. Now I can click on this publish option. The moment I click on this publish option, my video will get published. So let's just check. I have clicked on publish option. Now this is publishing. Now YouTube is working on publishing my video. Now my video is already published, and now I can start sharing my video to my audience. I can share this video on Facebook, on Twitter, on blog, on Reddit, Tumblr, on Pinterest, LinkedIn, Mix, wherever you wanted to share your video, you can share your video. Or if you directly wanted to share your video, suppose on your Instagram, or maybe on your WhatsApp, maybe on your Telegram platform, maybe on your LinkedIn. So in that case, what you can do is you can always copy your link and you can just close it. Okay, so now I have copied the link. I'll click on plus button. I'll go to Google and I'll paste the URL here and I'll press enter. Now my video is here, and here we can see the video which is related, which I have uploaded for my student, maybe for my organization, and maybe for some certain promotional content. Okay, so that's how we can upload the video on YouTube. I guess this lecture was informative. Thank you very much.